enti said the amount for ebisa me say Kennedy akopre kon abeko piemu ewo eye MPP headquarters na chese nipa doma omudi nachi na amount for ebufa so where they show down papa o abusia utimi say Kennedy youth na gina tumu na unim say ochina so Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia ono so abeko kofare ne forms na chese ya hwe nkrofo mbedi nachi na enane de eye Kennedy akopre kon na Kennedy ono kasa edi insembi edi atodwa ensemo a Kennedy odi abetodwa ne de na chese ade no eda so womu edwadifo no so akasa youth na akasa mamefo no so akasa obi ase omu hia Kennedy na ensemo a Kennedy edi todwa a chese mete ho kakra a kire woni se Kennedy kire mu a Bawumia aye na adwen se oye digital man na ono ne de onye digital what you say onye churchofo but oye creative obe creative job no what yes obe creative job no na youth no anya job ni bia ye abusia Kennedy acheche nsemu de oba abeye na ohwe amanfo mu di nachi crowd na di nachi population o mu di nachi na me kura me hu bi da abusia menye NPP fan menye NDC fan menye Bawumia fan menye kane sen Kennedy fan but ajimisem o de yen show video no
party ma yeshiam ewie bede asidakes and mamu delegate me hodonti masel madaje aba hawie nyamishra mo nyina mo nsem mo meja enipa dodo a ehia heya na ekirese enkonyimdi ebeba January 31st ya misra mo ne se ye nyina ye dom mekuo baako enti yamfa nkabom eni asundue enye campaign na yentimi enko wini 2028 sa primaries ya yekoi yenko se yekoyi flag better nkona demom yekoyi obi a yeyinu a obetimi abe president ewo MPP dinu ewo Ghana edimesramo especially party mpemfo a ewo constituency any region national yeyi ekununa no enfrim niema obia
international say January 31st na dey Ghana be the papa because o hwe nipadon omudi Kennedy achi na Bawumia de be ka ho de a ene here Saturday no bibi besi showdown be ye adwuma ana Mr. Degeta be fa na abusia enti nkofo wo nyina edi eye Kennedy achi because nwanwa ana okwakwo han bia na abusia yewuna mu na yentie Kennedy akoprekon nsem wode todwa after say okofare ne forms ewieye ode nsem bi etodwa abusia yewuna mu na yentie nsem a Kennedy ekan but message say and that first time na wa subscribe area me say any update bi anzo e drop here onsu ubenya bi atie na wa share ama wonu bi nso anya bi atie enti Kennedy o say dey
emfa na dwene enkotu aba nesi enkotu aba no a delegate amo ha adisiadia mede mamu ne se enye MPP fonko an ebetu aba 2028 Ghana for nyina ene koto aba And this will call January 31st. Let's say to a bar. Tiemia will free Tieba. Ghana for catching a Choway. Sir, what the draw more? Yes, one from Agyapong, young Twaba. Oh, be a bar. Yes, it can Agyapong, in a bar, Yabotuaba. What the bar, Simua? Yes, a month of Agyapong, man, Yabotuama. No, say, a dear BM and MPP, a pair. And you're to be in your power, second chance in your pay. You have to be announced for second chance. I am pleading with you to vote for Agyapong because in the bus, chop bus, truck, wherever you go, market, Ghanaians are crying for Agyapong to leave this country. So don't listen to anybody who will come and intimidate you because of his own selfishness. The party victory is paramount. And therefore we need to come together without intimidation and make sure we select a winnable candidate that can win 2028 election for the party. So please, no intimidation whatsoever. No more fears. Obia. We are going to vote with our conscience. We are going to listen to what Ghanaians are saying and cast our vote. Again, Ghanaians are looking for a businessman to create jobs for the youth of this country. We are no more going to listen to rhetorics. We want somebody who can create businesses for the youth of this country. I always say that any human being without a job has no life. Do you want life? Do you want life? Then vote for Agyapong for life. Choboy. Some people say, Choboy. Some people say they have ideas. I have both ideas and creativity. I have done it before and I continue to do it. So if I tell you I'm going to create jobs for you, believe in me. Let's ask some of the candidates what they have done in terms of jobs. Our biggest challenge in this country is unemployment. And the only candidate in the MPP who can solve unemployment problem in this country is Honorable Agyapong. So I'm begging you. In the Bible, Matthew 28, verse 19, it says, go and make disciples of all nations. January 31st, Nienko winning 2028. Now MPP and Zambra Power.
And Mr. Creativity on also Ekasa Horn, Kennedy HMA, on the day to me, a unit so made MPP and him now uncle a condemned MIA MPP DR. And you will be Juma, creativity, job, opportunity. I was young. Now only say youth na no omudi eye Kennedy Akopreko interview bi ekoswa ye bi say nua be ma yi say denti ena o support eye Kennedy Akopreko abusia na ye nua be ma yi in some way etuja.
Are you supporting Honorable Kennedy Agyapong? Alright, so I'm supporting Honorable Kennedy Agyapong because he stands for honesty, he stands for discipline, and see, Ghanaians will prefer insults and loose talks that will bring jobs and food to their table rather than a flip-flopper and a liar who has lied to Ghanaians for 2 terms. That is why I'm supporting Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. Let me set the record straight. Kennedy Agyapong is the next flag bearer of the MPP and the next president of Ghana. Thank you.
What are you referring to? What are you referring to?
See, you know yourself who I'm referring to. I am not here to mention names, but I'm telling you that my candidate is the best option among all of them. See, me no, make control say, Papa say because of you, and I will not mention names here. But Honorable Kennedy Agyapong is the best option. And you know who I talk about when I mention a liar. You know we know who we talk about when it comes to Ghana and lies. I would not stand for Baumia. Let me set the point straight. I am with Honorable Kennedy Agyapong because he stands for honesty and he's just ready and he has the track record. Thanks.
So if Honorable Kennedy Agyapong doesn't win this, are you going to support Dr. Baumia in the election?
See, the MPP is one. We stand with the elephants. Whether Honorable Kennedy Agyapong or DMB, who is the Baumia, I don't have any problem with him. But when Honorable Kennedy Agyapong wins, it is believed that he will be easily patronized and he is going to win power for the MPP straight away without any stress.
Organic love. Kennedy Agyapong, Omo Biesika. Anya Frefre Papa. Yawa Odosun Kwa Yawamano. Sense Yajiniti. Nano President Kufuor Bema ye free maternal care. Yes. Mimi yoba me ko hospital free. Me ko wo ya fa me ho fa me ba. Ena na do so ba ye no. Obema sankwala na free education. Yes. Ena Kennedy Agyapong say ya won kwala free. Ya mo musuku free. Aka juma. We are about time. Now what is that me? What is two about Omaria University? Now when you are Jumania, Branaba Dom Tim Ken. I know na Oba, no de I want to break on a level. I know na Oba, not grassroots for years the year. Won't pay when I pay. Won't pay when I pay. Kennedy Agyapong say it's all about patriotism. It's about honesty. It's about discipline. Ayonu kuto. Ena ni party or demono. Obiya bonia. Or sitting is ya diasa. Na waka. Send nipa when you hear no. As to abeti Ghana so president. Wano di also yanu wanyani here. I will fire you. Mumpe way. The best secretary. The best dream. The best project. Ya pasa kankan etucha ewo Ghana NDC unto me nye MPP bet to me aje na MPP be ya na ya honorable Kennedy akopreko akoso adota asa kokre Agyapong
Intimate hasani na asem ba kwa na me kan yina ene se nkofo ya omudi Kennedy achiache se omoye no kin no vote ni na dabra yenkotu eska emo ana abusua eno ena maame ne so echire mu aye organic numbers abusua Kennedy asan so aka ne ho biem ochena aye Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia ye be hwede ye be koso ewo honi na enti se ende o hweme a na o subscribe e de amaye said any update bia so eba also back to back no benya politics, entertainment, trending news no. Yeah, the mama left and right center. And it's unsubscribe ya. Now I subscribe. And there I Kennedy akopre consider on also na okan and some ochire mu a. Ono dey oba be create jobs, opportunity. E dey ama Ghana youth. Enti say nkofo mu di na chi no. Mo koto aba na mo ntoma no. What you say? Abunya na dey etwagu ewo Kennedy ne side I and the kopie mu wo NPP headquarters no. Mamemfa wo NC here say na da foforo nso ebe senso ahia ya senso adi nkomo eha na me de obesi makra bye bye.